Okay, problem 8 on the 6 weeks review asks us which rule can be used to determine the value of the nth figure in the sequence below. By nth figure, they just mean we have figure 1, 2, 3, and 4. If we want to be able to develop a rule that will let us find any figure number for any n. That's the nth figure. It's just a variable. So for position 1 in our sequence, figure 1 has 2 squares, so the term is 2. Figure 2, the second position in our sequence, has 5 squares. Figure 3 has 8 squares, and figure 4 has 11 squares. We're looking for the rule that follows that will give us that sequence for each position in the sequence. So let's see, the best way to do this would be take n equals 1 and try it in each one of these. If n equals 1, 1 squared minus 1 equals 1 squared is 1 times 1, so that's 1 minus 1 equals 0. And that term does not equal 0, so let's cross that one out. 3n, 3 times 1 minus 1 equals 3 times 1 is 3 minus 1 equals 2. So it works for the first, for n equals 1. Let's try it for n equals 2. 3 times 2 minus 1. 3 times 2 is 6 minus 1 equals 5, which is the term we get when n equals 2. So it looks like we have our answer. But let's try the other ones just to make sure. If n equals 1, 1 plus 3 equals 4. And the first term does not equal 4, it equals 2, so we can cross out C. 2n plus 3. 2 times 1 plus 3 equals, 2 times 1 is 2, plus 3 equals 5. So for n equals 1, the term equals 2, does not equal 5, so you can cross out D. So B is definitely our answer. Here's your chance to win a golden ticket. We go back to this previous slide. We did this in class today where we were given either a picture or a rule or a list of terms, and we filled in the other 3 representations of the sequence. The sequence can be shown as a series of pictures, like it is here on B, or it can be shown as a rule, like it is on A, or it can be shown as a list of terms, like it is on C, or it can be given in a table. But if you're given any one of these, you can fill it. You can create a table that shows you a list of positions and terms to represent the sequence, or you could list the terms as they have in C, or you can write a rule like we have in A, and from the rule create the table, the list of terms, or the picture. The last one we did was type D in class, where you created your own. Hopefully we had time to get to this, but I had intended for you to create your own rule and then create a list of terms, a table to represent the sequence, and a picture. So your challenge for the golden ticket is to create another example like this. You can, I think the best way to do this is start from a rule, write a rule, and then fill in the table for each n equals 1, n equals 2, n equals 3, using your rule. And then once you have the table filled in, your list of terms will just be your terms in order, and then you create a picture for each position in your sequence to represent the term in the sequence. So 4 pictures, fill in the table, list of terms, 4 terms, and your rule. And the first person to bring that to me will win the golden ticket. We'll pick up the 6 weeks review with problem 9.